what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I am in my upstairs hallway. I am going to show it some love for the holiday season. I'm gonna give it a quick clean and then we're gonna start decorating. Stay tuned. When I do the other side, I'm going to show you a very good Amazon lighting hack. It is different than any of the Amazon lighting hack that I have shown you, so you gotta stick around for you to see it. With that said, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. Just in case if you missed it, my name is Dalou. I share Glam home decor, DIY and cleaning videos. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to all of you, my fellow returning Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope you are enjoying my Christmas decoration so far and you have found some inspiration. I am on Instagram at decor.glamstyle by Dalou. Please stop by and say hello. So far, you guys, I have decorated my dining room, formal living room, multiple Christmas trees, bathroom and kitchen. If you had missed any of these videos, please check them out. I think I did a beautiful job this year. Well, I always do a beautiful job, so I'd like to think, but I think this year taking it to the next level. My theme for this year is Glam Magical. I'm gonna leave the links for all of these videos in the description box. Check them out. On the bench, I'm starting with a throw. This is a fall throw, but it has some beautiful gold design on it. So I am going to use it regardless of the situation. Then I'm gonna have a Glam pillow. It is very pretty. This pillow is from Home Goods. And then I'm going to double up on the Glam with one of my gold pillow. The case is from Amazon. By the way, the runner is from Amazon as well. Links for both of them will be in the description box. And then I am going to have some Glam leaves from Home Goods with a small vase, also from Home Goods. Super cute reindeers, also from Home Goods, will be added as well. And then I am going to have a Glam candle. I purchased most of my Glam candles around the holiday season. I use them year around. This is why sometime in the middle of the year when I have a candle or something Glam, you guys said, Dalou, where did you get this? I can find it at Home Goods. It's because it was purchased around the holiday season. Even if I'm not using something in my Christmas decor, I still purchase it and save it for when I am ready to use it. On this side, I added a new arch mirror from Amazon. And then you guys, I added new wall sconces. No, they are not electrically wired. One is on right now and the other one is off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a light bulb in the one that is off. Ta-da! Look at that, guys. My light bulb is already on. How is that possible? This light bulb, you guys, can be charged USB cord. So no need to call an electrician or me have to take a course on YouTube on how to wire electricity. Yeah! Yeah, I know I'm dramatic. Sometime. Let me show you how it works. So it came with this wire. I use a base that I already have to plug it in. And then I connect the light bulb to the wire to let it charge. It came with a remote control that I can use to turn it on and off and control different color settings. I can have the light bulb flicker, and I can control the speed of the flickering, and I can put a timer, do different things. It is pretty cool. Once I'm done charging it, I put it back on and my hallway is ready to illuminate. There it is, guys. Nobody gonna know. How would they know? I will leave the link for the conceits in the description box. The light bulb came with these conceits. I'm also gonna leave a link for some walls conceits that use USB light bulb, just in case if you guys are not a fan of this one, and links for some battery operated light bulbs. I'm gonna put a garland around the mirror. I'm using comment strip to do that, and this is a garland. I purchased it from Michael's. You can see I'm wearing different clothes because it was not done on the same day. On the console table, I am going to have a birch tree from Amazon. By the way, the skinny console table is also from Amazon. This birch tree is battery operated. And then I'm going to have this vase from the at-home store. I'm not going to put anything on the vase because I think I have enough going on in the hallway. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I removed the ornaments that used to be at the bottom. Now I'm going to put this pillow. I got it from Hobby Lobby last year. In the corner, I have my tall skinny vase from Z Gallery. In there, I'm going to have some frozen berries. I got them, I think, from Michael's. And then I am going to have a sheepskin rug in front of the console table. It makes everything look so warm and cozy. But before I do that, I am going to do a little bit of cleaning to remove all the icy things from the garlands and from the berries. It's not showing, but trust me, they are there. I have to come back to see the full home tour to see what everything looks like together and see the full reveal of the hallway. This hallway looks very, very nice, you guys. As a matter of fact, the entire home is looking very nice right now. I have a few other spots to decorate, including my bedroom, and we will be ready for the home tour. So hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos as soon as I upload. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. I love you always. Bye-bye.